Imagine being on the edge of your seat, not knowing what's going to happen next. That's the power of suspense. But what makes a good suspense story? Is it the creepy atmosphere, the shocking plot twist, or something more? Let's dive into the psychology of suspense and explore the techniques that will keep your audience hooked. Suspense is a psychological phenomenon that taps into our deepest fears and desires. By understanding the psychology behind suspense, we can create stories that are both engaging and unpredictable. In this video, we'll explore the key elements of suspense and provide you with 5 proven techniques to craft a compelling narrative. The key to creating suspense is to create anticipation in your audience. This can be done by setting up a question or a problem that the audience hopes to get an answer to. Think of it like a puzzle. The audience wants to solve it, but you're holding back the pieces. By delaying the answer, you create tension and suspense. For example, in the movie The Sixth Sense, the audience is left wondering if the main character is really dead or alive until the very end. Misdirection is a powerful tool in creating suspense. By distracting the audience from the real issue, you can create a false sense of security. Think of it like a magician's trick. The audience is focused on one thing, but the real magic is happening elsewhere. For example, in the movie The Usual Suspects, the audience is led to believe that the main character is the villain, but it's actually someone else. Uncertainty is a key element in creating suspense. By leaving things to the audience's imagination, you create a sense of unease and uncertainty. Think of it like a horror movie. The audience is left wondering what's going to happen next, and that's what makes it so scary. For example, in the movie The Shining, the audience is left wondering if the main character is going crazy or if something supernatural is happening. The setting of your story can greatly impact the level of suspense. Think of it like a creepy atmosphere. The audience is already on edge, and then you add some creepy sounds and visuals. For example, in the movie The Exorcist, the setting of the possessed girl's room is so creepy that it creates a sense of unease in the audience. Red herrings are a great way to create suspense. By introducing false clues or misleading information, you can keep the audience guessing. Think of it like a puzzle. The audience is trying to solve it, but you're throwing in false pieces to throw them off. For example, in the movie Gone Girl, the audience is led to believe that the main character is the villain, but it's actually someone else. In conclusion, suspense is a powerful tool in storytelling. By understanding the psychology behind suspense, you can create stories that are both engaging and unpredictable. Remember, the key to creating suspense is to create anticipation in your audience, to use misdirection, uncertainty, setting, and red herrings to keep them guessing. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.